The Shiva, often known as the destroyer, doesn't signify annihilation but transformation. As my lens frames a tranquil river stream, its gentle flow gradually focuses on a serene, snow covered hill. I felt connected to Shiva, echoing the deep bond between him and the natural world. Shiva's love catalyzes the destruction of ego, attachment, and false identities, allowing spiritual growth and rebirth. His love for Parvati and the universe exemplifies this transformative aspect, showing us that love, in its many forms, guides us toward spiritual evolution. Inside the temple, an octagonal base with sides of 15 feet supports a serene sanctuary. A circular chamber, dimly lit, symbolizes eternity. A stone staircase, flanked by protective walls, leads to the temple's terrace, symbolizing the spiritual journey to enlightenment. 4 octagonal columns support the ceiling, signifying balance, with a lingam encircled by a snake at the center, representing Shiva's mastery over primal forces. Perched atop a hill, the temple offers a breathtaking panoramic view of lush surroundings, highlighting the interconnectedness of all life. You too can connect with Shiva in nature. Find a peaceful setting, meditate, visualize Shiva's presence, chant mantras, offer reverence, and contemplate your connection with nature and spirituality.